Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good night everybody. Let me introduce myself. My name is Safira Rahmawati Putri. NIM 20000321146. The purpose of my presentation is to introduce our 7 major principles of Islam banking. The present banking system is based on prohibited financial elements. What are again the principles of Islam banking? Where we discuss the 7 major principles of Islam finance and banking. 1. Profit and loss sharing. It is one of the key principles of Islam finance, where the partners will share their profit and loss according to the part they play in the business. There will be no guarantee on the right of the riders, then the Muslim will play the part of partner and loss a creditor. 2. Share risk. In the economy transaction, the risk sharing is promised by the Islam banking. When two or more parties will share the risk, what is based on the principle of Islam banking, the burden of the risk will be divided and reduced in the parties, so it will improve the economic activity of the states. 3. Riba. It can be regarded as the provision of interest. The well will get the rather without any risk of reward. Regardless of the outcome of economic activity, the person who gets the loan has to return the money and riba to lender. According to the principle of Islam finance, taking an advantage of the issues the other are facing in a just. 4. Gharar. According to the Islam finance principle, Muslims are not allowed to participate in the ambiguous and uncertain transaction. 5. Gambling. In Islam, the acquisition of wealth through availments or participation in gambling is prohibition. 6. No investment in prohibition industry. The industry that are harmful to social or have the threat to the social responsibility are prohibition Islam. They include pornography, prostitution, alcohol, drug. One is not allowed to invest in such industry or when participate in the mutual funds that will help the industry to flourish. 7. Zakat. 3 is property tax included in the rules of Islam that is known as zakat, which allows the balanced distribution of wealth. According to the Islam banking principle, the fair amount of zakat deducted from the account of Muslims in the whole month of Ramadan. Islam bank promote the social responsibility and distribute the among the needy. Inclusion. Principle of Islam banking guide us to invest in an industry that will help us to achieve the financial and social objectives that have been determined by Islam. They been designed to make an economy successful. So it is a way of saving our money from being invested in a wrong path. This is the end of my presentation. Thanks for listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.